Hey, to charge your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, we've got actually a few methods. The first one, and very obvious, we can for sure use the wireless charger. But also, we can treat other smartphones as a wireless charger. So, if I have the wireless power sharing on my second phone, I can actually turn it on and just put my phone, the S24, on the back of my smartphone. I probably didn't turn it on, so let me just do this. I'll have to go into the settings. Now I have to turn on the battery sharing on my Pixel 7 Pro. There we go. And now take a look. Right now my S24 is actually charging by using second phone. For sure we can also use the wired method. So if I plug the USB-C cable into my Pixel 7 Pro and plug it also into the S24, I can also find information that it is not charging, so let me just try to fix this. There we go. Let's try one more time. As you can see right now, the phone is actually charging from my Pixel 7 Pro. And also we can plug this end of the cable into the, for example, the game console, into our PC, into our monitor, or for example, into the charging brick. So we can use this standard charging brick, and it actually doesn't matter what kind of the charger it is. As you can see in this case, I'm using the old Huawei smartphone charger. It is actually from the P30 Pro, if I remember. And you can also use it. In this one, actually, I've got the USB A input, but I have also a second cable that I'm using. And that's actually the cable from my old P30 Pro. And I can use it also with my S24 because there's like USB-C input. So you don't have to get the original charger for your S24 or S24 Plus. You can use your old charger, and that's all. But if you really want to charge your smartphone really quick and use the fast charging, it's actually recommended to get the brand new Samsung charger. But in my case, it doesn't matter for me. I don't need to charge my phone quick with this fast charger. So with this fast charging feature, so I'm using old charger and I don't need to spend money for these accessories. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.